You know a bubble is about to pop even when your barber starts pitching you an AI startup. I'm not even joking.
You think I'm playing?
We've hit that point. A point where every stranger thinks slapping AI powered in front of anything instantly gets them the next $1 trillion idea. Coffee machine, AI powered. Dating app, AI powered. Even your dog's chew toy. Oh yeah, slap that AI powered on top of it. And you know, the crazy thing is the numbers are insane. Roughly 7,000 AI startups are in the US alone, and trust me, I can beat my chest and tell you that this is not an ecosystem, it's a stampede. Half of them don't even make money, yet they are walking around with valuations that belong in the Marvel multiverse. Funny thing is, venture capitalists shoved nearly 75 billion into AI startups last year like they were buying Pokemon cards, hoping one of them will pop off and become their cash out moment. And you see, we are not just talking for talking's sake. The hype is actually running on fumes.
I'm tired, boss.
Even JP Morgan's analysts are calling this an AI-driven bubble, basically admitting the tech world just paid full price for a concept before checking if the band can actually play. Meanwhile, MIT research says 95% of generative AI projects aren't delivering value, and even I can testify to this. And the reason being, I tried to use AI to generate the full content of this video by first writing the script to AI and then recording the voice with a cloned AI voice, right? But it turned out to be bogus. So I had to go back to recording everything with my own voice and then also writing the script myself. So yeah, the cost of your AI startup surviving are about the same as winning a sketchy carnival Dactyl's game. Now looking at the consumer side of things, we can all testify to the fact that everyone is complaining about AI slop, especially on YouTube, where we have a lot of these AI videos just pop up on your feed, especially when you are not signed in or anything. Even LinkedIn is way worse. People are drowning in AI content. Scroll through LinkedIn and then you see the same robotic post starting with, in today's fast-paced environment, and it's important to note that. Now, I don't think it would take a degree for you and I to both know that these are instant AI red flags. People have also realized that the copy-paste corporate voice has also gotten so sterile that they would rather listen to a 2-hour podcast of someone stuttering their way through a story than read one more bland thought leadership essay. Because I mean, if you think about it, humans can at least say yikes or wow without sounding like a customer support bot. And then if we look at the enterprise side of things, right, we can see big promises and small results. Even the companies that are tripping over their own hype, especially Klarna, that cut 25% of their staff because hey, AI was supposed to handle everything, right? Spoiler, it didn't. They had to crawl back and rehire the humans because the bots just couldn't figure it out. And while tech giants are about to spend 320 billion on AI infrastructure in 2025, everyone's quietly realizing, cool service, right? But where is the actual money? Now, it is at this point where we start to realize that humans are coming back to their old times. People are starting to miss human-made stuff. Audiences are flocking to podcasts, blogs, interviews, and places where you can hear actual voices, right? Quirks, jokes, and even mistakes. Because if everything is AI generated, then human created content suddenly feels like a vintage vinyl, imperfect but authentic. So maybe the AI bubble won't explode overnight, but it's definitely deflating. And when it does, the survivors won't be that 50th AI note-taking app. It will be the humans who kept doing their messy, funny, and unpredictable thing. And this shouldn't come as a surprise, to be honest, because obviously the more AI floods in the market, the more valuable human content becomes. Because at the end of the day, AI can mimic empathy, but only humans can actually mean it.